Let's install the timing chain. Insert the timing chain between both cam phasers. The other timing chain guy here and the two bolts also are tied into 89 inch-pounds. Pull out the locking pin from the tensioner. Now applying sealant to the cuts here in the engine blocks. AC compressor right there, 10mm ratchet wrench, and for the one in the bottom you can use a ratchet or anything. In my case I use my cordless ratchet for the one in the bottom right there. Intake manifold here. And that is the lower intake manifold already installed, all the 8mm bolts, and remember it has two in the rear there, one here in this direction and another one here. Now we're gonna pull out the bolt, and then I'm gonna be installing the original bolt right there so the pulley can stay inside, and then torque it to torque specifications. Alright, let's install the water pump and the new two gaskets and the water pump here. And this one is exactly the same that it was on the engine before, because the owner of the vehicle did not want it to replace it, since he says this water pump is new. It has been here in the engine for about 1 year. So let's install the same one then. And this is the torque specification here for this water pump. Alright, that's the engine up and running right there with no problem. It's running very smoothly. The only thing is that it's so noisy because the exhaust manifolds on both sides are still disconnected, so it's very noisy, but the engine is running very smoothly. I have to be honest, I have previously tuned it on already and it's running very smoothly, so no problem. We're just missing some antifreeze here. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.